Hi everybody, this video tutorial I will talking about speech tag. Speech tag is a one of the like to be labeling like a loft 2.0, loft 2.0 or loft 1. So before you already did on the loft 2 or another site like this labeling or tag as the same. Tag, speech tag is a one kind of tag. If any sound like this noise, like music, like the crying, something laughing, like this, anything can be occurs without speech. This is the speech tag. So how many speech tag we have to use? See, you can see the speech tag. Then go to the list. There's lot of speech tag. So now I am before the speech tag, I have to play the 51 segmentation which is front of you. Let's play what is there. See, you have there is some sound is occurs. Yes, the sound is occur. So not meant there should be no speech, and this one also be changed to be noise. Then put NOI noise, or otherwise you also be go the speech tag and put the noise. And from your keyboard you can also be get by shortcut like NOI, type NOI and control space, it should be coming the noise. So if you found there some crying, so type CRY crying, then space control space, then will be cry coming up. So all tag we can be use very shortcut by typing the first three letters, so it will be comes. So remember, we never use any overlap from 8 kHz and other space. This one not require, this two not required for this kinds of job. So repeat the overlap and other space. So there is lot of thing. I will put the description list of the detail. Again I say on the video description I will put the detail regarding the speech tag, how to use. I will show on a complete file. See, there it put the noise. Let's play what happened there.
Okay ค่ะ
See, after he is talking, there is some little bit some sound. That's why he put noise. It's good. It's like so. In this noise, we can be do only without speech. We can do with speech. We can do center somewhere, anywhere, anytime, anywhere. We can be use this one. This is depend when anything occurs like sound, music, etc. So hope you understand the speech tag. Again I say on the video description I will put in detail. Thanks for watching the video.